Haranga Resources is a Mongolia-focused iron ore exploration and development company. The company commenced operations with a successful initial public offering on the Australian Stock Exchange in December 2010. The company's flagship Selenge iron ore project is located in Mongolia's second-largest industrial hub of the Haranga and Selenge provinces, where key infrastructure such as railway, electricity, and water supply are well developed. The main Trans-Mongolian Railway, which connects directly to the two giant neighbors of China and Russia, can be easily accessed by nearby rail spurs. This is Mongolia's premier location for iron ore production, where the country's biggest iron ore producer and exporter, BTEG, as well as the large iron ore deposits of Tömürte and others are in operation. In 2010, the company acquired highly prospective exploration licenses, with a total area covering 42,600 hectares. The company commenced Selenge exploration activities in 2011 with extensive geological prospecting and reconnaissance works, followed by a full-scale geophysical survey. The ground magnetic survey was carried out, covering the entire exploration tenements, followed by an airborne geophysical survey successfully conducted along the Bayangol magnetite skarn fault zone. These works resulted in identification of a number of potential drilling targets, including Bayintokt, Dunbulag, and Onduruha sites. Diamond drilling started at Bayintokt in 2011 and continued into 2012 to drill Dunbulag and Onduruha. During these 2 consecutive years, an extensive drilling program was successfully completed, with a total of 47,900 meters drilled. As a result, the iron ore banded magnetite system, known as BMS, was discovered at the Selenge project, which formed 3 clustered deposits. And the company was able to delineate ore bodies in each of these deposits. Dunbulag is the largest of these, with a massive banded magnetite structure that strikes about 1,100 meters long and over 600 meters wide. Associated with a total of 11 ore bodies, the average thickness of the main 3 ore bodies reaches about 200 meters, dipping about 60 degrees. After completion of drill data analyses, and based on the results of core sample laboratory assays, the company was able to estimate an initial iron ore resource at these 3 clustered deposits. In May 2013, the company announced a JORC resource of 254 million tons of ore in the measured and indicated categories. This is the largest JORC-compliant iron ore resource in Mongolia, with a significant further exploration upside. The company's flagship Selenge iron ore project is now transitioning into development stage after the successful completion of exploration. Pit design work using the Whittle optimization that applies different cutoff grades to estimate mineable ore reserves and to delineate initial mining blocks are currently in progress. In addition, a preliminary geotechnical study was completed to optimize the pit slope design for a future open-pit mine operation. A laboratory-scale Davis tube recovery test with progressive grind test works have now been completed. These preliminary test results demonstrated that a high-quality magnetite concentrate with an iron content of more than 62% can be achieved as a final saleable product. As part of the project feasibility study, the company is now working on infrastructure, engineering, and technical solutions for a mine and processing plant complex at its Selenge project. Water and electricity supply can be provided from within 15 kilometers from the mine site. A scoping study to connect the Selenge project to Sharingol rail spur, located about 50 kilometers away, is also in progress, having been recently awarded a pre-mining agreement by Mongolia's Mineral Resources Authority. The company is now in the stage of optimizing a mine plan for an initial ramp-up to achieve early production and cash flow. This is a great opportunity project, located next door to the Chinese steel industry demand, as Haranga Resources positions itself as a key iron ore player in Mongolia's strategic mining sector.